Right, so one of today's jobs, lovely 2 litre petrol BMW timing chain replacement. Now this one is stretched beyond imagination. So we're doing the cams as well, and I've got to clean these out because that is bloody ridiculous. Both solenoid valves completely clogged up. You can just see how thick that is there. Now that we've got it out on a clean spot, absolute blocked up. Got very lucky on this one as well. As most people know, these guides, these break and fracture and go into the sump. So we've been very lucky. We haven't got to take the sump off this one. Beautiful. Now, I know that most people are going to say, well, you got to take it off to change the the oil pump chain. But unfortunately, the customer supplied own parts and he has bought the kit without the oil pump one. Not a major thing, they don't always stretch like the timing chains themselves do, or wear in fact, some people say it is. But we've got the full kit there, including cams to replace. I'm actually doing this for a garage as well. So, and we will be able to, if we just put the torch down there, you can just see there the oil pump one. So you can, once you put the bottom sprocket back in, you are able then just to work it and pull upwards and realign it. Not that hard to do. So beautiful.